Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If your screen looks like this, meaning it looks almost as if somebody has put a filter over the screen, or of course it looks almost as if there's a curtain over the screen and it looks either bluish, it's usually a one color, it could be yellowish, reddish, and there are several variety of colors, so it can be any possibility in color. So if this is happening to your device, the first problem is that you might think that the display is going. In some cases, that's true. However, when the display is going, usually the screen looks like it's faded, almost like this. However, it's one uniform fading and it tends to fade to kind of a white palish color whenever a display is failing. Next thing, if the screen is evenly in terms of consistency, meaning you can see perfectly well, but there seems to be as if somebody draped a filter that's a particular color over the screen, then of course you can fix it. So if it's a screen problem, as I said, the screen is going to be inconsistent in its fading and you won't be able to see clearly. However, if it is this problem that I'm going to show you to fix, the screen will look perfectly fine, except it looks as if somebody placed a filter or something over it. All right, it can be this color. It can also look yellowish, as seen here. It can also look like this, which is red. Even look purplish. So guys, if it looks anything like any of these, as I described in detail, go ahead and go to your settings. Next, go to your accessibility. Next, you're gonna go to vision enhancements. Next, scroll down. You're gonna go to color filters, and you can see here it says blue 30%. In my case, it might show any of these colors here. So this is what's happening here. Make sure you go to the top of the screen where it says color filters and turn off. Instantly, when you turn off the color filters, the screen will return to its pristine condition. So as you can see here, the screen is back to normal. And that haze or that curtain looking thing that was over the screen is now gone. And the screen looks perfect again. All right, so in some cases, that feature was turned on and it can cause or mess with the screen. Hope that was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.